Hey guys, what's going on, lovely people? What are up to? Walk along. Oh, feelings. So I'm done with work and I actually went home and everything. I have to go get my niece a present. She turns 3. As you can see, Joelle is not with me, neither is Jerome. Jerome's still not feeling well, so he just stayed home with his dad. And Joelle was sleeping. She was having a nap. She always takes a nap like at the end of the day when Carl picks her up at like 3:30, whatever. So that's when she takes her little nap. But anyways, we're out and about. I just went into Academy Sport. Why I didn't vlog when I was in there? I don't even know. You know, I'm still getting used to this vlogging thing. Y'all doing this journey with me. I'm trying. But anyway, I'm jumping out the car and I said, let me go ahead and take it out. And we're going to Walmart. Walmart is right across the road from Academy. But the road is busy, you see? Look. It's like 3-4 lanes. One of them will come off on next major road. Then there's like the train up top and everything. This is a very busy crossing. So I have to kind of pay attention. And somebody in front of me. I don't already know nobody back. Either way, it's a great day. We're day in the land of the living. Same way. God is good. We're still here. Still another day to get those goals. Make those dreams a reality. See what I'm saying? So that's what we're up to. So I'm going to head into Walmart. I have a selfie camera, you know, not a selfie camera, but a selfie stick. Jerome had it the other day vlogging when we were going into Crumble Cookie. However, I'm not sure if he left it in the car or if it's at home. So if it's in the car, I will share y'all on this toy hunting. Thank God it's a girl. It's my niece, because shopping for toys for boys are the worst for me. The worst. Alright. Catch you in a little bit. After we leave here, so we're gonna go to Costco. We gotta get gas. Costco is the gas place. That's where we go and get our gas because it's discounted. Plus, if you get the Costco credit card, I use that when I go to shop at Costco. I use that for Costco.com. I use that for traveling. And I also use it for Costco gas. But gas in general, because I get 4% back every single time I spend. 4% back. You might be like, that's not that much. But guess what? It adds up. How much do you spend on gas for the year? You ever thought about that? Right now, it takes about $55 to fill up my gas tank. We fill up our gas tank maybe 6 times per month. Work that out. That's $300 already. More than 300. Y'all know what I mean. That's like $330, right? And right off the bat there, I'm going to be collecting on that. That's $12, $13 right there. And then for the year, come on, people. Smarter. 2022, everything adds up. And, you know, sometimes we say, oh, in the new year, me I go to this, new year, me I go to that, 2023, out with the old me, in with the new me. Start today. Start today. Make the changes today. That was me from before. And, you know, like, I've come to the point in my life now where I realize, baby, start today. What you waiting on? 2023, not promise. Y'all remember that. Anyways, let's go get the shopping done. I'll see y'all in a minute. Let's go. Look here. Every time I come in here, Walmart, this is awful. It's okay. Look at that. What a disgrace. And this is the Walmart that I like to come because it's so much bigger. And they have a wide assortment of things. This is the spot. But lately, them last couple times here, not a cat. That makes sense? Let's see. What y'all think? Junie B. Jones. See, touch, feel. She's past that age. She's about to turn 3. She don't need no see, touch, feel. We could do like a storybook. 5-minute Mickey Mouse stories. Boy, it looks scanty in here, and the place I know usually looks so. Letters, we could do. All right. You know what? They had these like puzzle ones at Costco. I think I'm gonna get one of those. I got one for JoJo, so I think I'm gonna do one of those. All right. I don't know, nothing else gonna grab me, and it looks scanty. See, early learning workbook. Jerome had these. Trust me. If you want a book for your kid, you're not sure which one to get, this one is a good one. Pretty books, big ideas for little people. This one is a good one. Jerome used this. So they do the letter practicing. This was one that he kind of used after. I'm going to look at home if I see some of the other ones that he used first. But this one is very good. It's good with the letter writing and with the counting. You see, like how you see 5 here, so go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They also have that visual reference for what 5 is, what 7 is, you know. That helps the kids to remember. All right. Anyways, let's carry on. I think I got me I gotta do. I want to think me forget this. I don't know. I like this, you know, but also like I'm her auntie. I want to be fun too. So I don't know. Anyways, let's see. Go on the girly stuff. So what I was thinking, so with when she comes to the house, JoJo has this stroller. Not a stroller, it's a shopping cart that she loves to play with. So I was thinking if they have a shopping cart, that's exactly what I would get for her. She has her own little shopping cart, and look, there's a little itty bitty shopping cart, but it's so tiny. I don't know if that's too small. She's 3. What do you think? Kind of disappointed in the size. I thought it was gonna be bigger. Man. Well, look here. Look on pot set. Look at pot set. Wonder if I do that. Maybe I could get her that. You know what? Maybe they have a kitchen. What do y'all think? When she comes to the house, she can play with JoJo's. JoJo don't mind. JoJo don't care at all. But since you like the food thing, I can do kitchen. Wanna see the kitchen? Where is the kitchen set? Where's the kitchen set? Where's the kitchen set? Just up here, girl, is something. It's like, must there someplace over here? So guys, guess what? This is where my app comes in. So I use my Walmart app when I'm inside Walmart. If I'm not sure where to find something, I go to my app. I type in the name and I search it up, and it tells me which aisle to go to. That also helps me a lot because guess what? The more I walk around, the more I spend. The more I walk around, the more I spend. Because you see so much other things, you know? So when you just know that's what you're going for and this is the aisle, trust me, it actually helps. And I can't believe someone else in that one kitchen set. Alright, we're going to go to the app. We're going to type in a kitchen set. See what we can find. Wait. One more aisle. That a baby carrying on something and that my one. Ice cream, that's kind of cute, but a little Barbie thing. I want a nice little kitchen for her she can put up in her room. Her room is pretty big, so she can like set up a kitchen on one side of it. Baby. Oh Lord. That itsy bitsy too. I don't want something bigger. Alright, this one no bad. I wanted something that was like girl size. So when you have your mind set on something, hard for you to shift gears. Alright, so I checked the app and it says 06. That's 05. So this should technically be 06. But I still don't see the shopping cart that I'm looking for. Let's go on the other side. If you want to see it, shout out to me. I mean, no one. I don't see it at all. And this is a dress up dolly something. That's not exactly what I'm looking for. I'm looking for like a pretend play thing. I didn't even realize this aisle was be a girly over here so too. No, I came in this aisle already, no? Boy, may I get confused now. I don't see it. Let's go one over. See any luck. Nope. No, here are the games. People don't tell me if you're buying, no? What you know? No, me not even know if you do. So I think I want to get this little shopping cart, but I'm wondering if it's just way too small, where she won't even be able to stand and push it. You know what I mean? Joel has one, but me not even pre-hotel living. Like we see, this is the only one that I see, and it's the last one. I want to think that can work. No, feel like a 3-year-old. I got this, and guess what? The other day I went to Ross, and they had like these like a big assortment of food, a variety pack. So I'm gonna get those for her too. It's a big variety pack of fake food, but they have all sorts of something in there. Everybody in there. So I'm gonna do this, and then I'm going to do that. And then we're also gonna do a book, because those are the types of gifts that we give. We always have to include something educational. Because we're not lazy and we're not dunks. You understand? Alright. Wanna think this it? Wanna let me forget the pot set. They wanna think. Let's see how it look. It look like it could have boiled all egg in there. Watch out. My sister's gonna be mad. Peanut butter knock her ears. Oh my god. This might go on the Christmas list. We'll just make her kitchen bigger and bigger every year. Alright. I think this is a start. We're gonna figure it out. Now that we're not no trolley, this we're gonna push her on the store. Ask Walmart for me. Can me one more? Is this one I'll be pushing around? Watch out. Oh, Jesus. Okay. Alright, in my hands. Because we don't have a choice. Max Card, if he want nothing, the only thing he mentioned was goat milk. When I ever drink goat milk? Hold on. Let's talk about this goat milk stuff. She already has a scooter. She has all of these things. Oh, this is cool. The play food, but they can like cut it up and slice it up. I actually like that. Oh, see the next basket here? But me like the push one. Oh, this one you can pull. Look at that. You can pull it backward and roll it. Oh my god, I don't want to think now. I kind of like this more, you know. Something about this I kind of like more, but that one look more realistic. What to do? Let's see. So this one has 11 pieces. Load up on kitchen essentials. Has cheese and cracker, peas and carrots. This, that. Age 3 plus. There's also this for skills at play. This is the one that I kind of like, but does kind of look small, but I don't know. I think so. I'll go with this still, you know. But still, like home, I have the one at home, which is another assortment of stuff. Because she loves to pretend that she's going grocery shopping. Where did these people find baskets? 2 baskets just cost me and I can't find one. Alright, goat milk. We're out of here. If there's goat milk. And the part is still there with the Pepsi. I can push it and see. Maybe I wanted it when it's nice, so nobody wants to use it. But the person who had the Pepsi no longer needs it. Gone. Get ready for kindergarten. These are cute too. Let's see. Y'all know when I approach like books and stuff, I approach it from like an educator's perspective. This is cool. It has like sight words and stuff, but tell you, must, will, same style, same and different. That's good. Mama's so ready for that. So we're gonna go with this book and them 2 things there. Alright, oatmeal, unless something else catches my eye, which is what we don't want. And let me tell y'all something. When I come to Walmart, I'm not scared to shop at clearance. When I come and find, don't afraid to shop at clearance. Nobody knows you. Nobody cares. I guess unless if you live in Florida. Florida is the only place that I've been. I was in Fort Lauderdale, and I saw a few people that I knew. And something happened to one of my good friends lately. She left Florida and just hear somebody call out her name. Same day she land, and it's somebody from our hometown, our little town. And so, something is happening to this Walmart. Look at it. What is going on? Never ever looked like this before. And I tell you. No, me not even know if them have goat milk. Alright, so Palm is lactose intolerant. I already bought almond milk over the weekend. And we need goat milk, because that's what he puts in his coffee. Goat milk. The goat milk is not a thing in Jamaica, even though we love to eat goats. I tell people that all the time. Look, I can't drink the goat milk. I tell Carla all the time. Every single time that I try it and I taste it, I picture the ram goat on the side of the road, ready for manish water and curry. Alright, I think that's it. Maybe I should get a couple more yogurt. So Joelle is Swansea. She only eats wheat and Noosa yogurt. Noosa used to sell at Costco, so I'd buy it in a pack of 12. Because that makes sense. It worked out cheaper and better. However, Costco hasn't had it for like the past 2 months or something. Make sure you check this for a day. So I'm just gonna get another lemon, maybe a mango. I don't know if she'll eat the mango, so vanilla chocolate. Or Jerome will probably like that. Then guess what, people? It's time to go. Now, one of my other favorite thing about this Walmart, most of this stuff, or most of it is self-checkout. Self-checkout is the way to go. Makes things so much easier. Yep. Anyways, catching at the register. about to check out. Well, I already checked out. Guess what I realized? No gift bag. Somebody couldn't remind me? Gift bag. Alright. Alright, so we need a big one to fit that in, plus the other thing. I don't think the other thing can fit in there. I may not even remember if we have no, so we have Christmas wrap. I don't know if we have no other wrap. Alright, I think maybe I gotta do this for the tissue, because that can be used for both boy and girl. What do you think? Festive. 6 sheets. I think this is good for right now. 6 sheets at $1.48, or should I buy 40 sheets at $3.98? So I want to spend $3.98. If Georgia ever gets to those tissue paper, they're all gone. All right. You know what? So our polka dots. 21 feet in total, 111 square feet total. It's more than 5 times as many. You know, I'm gonna really need that right now. Jerome is also going to a birthday party this weekend. If only he was feeling better, then I could have brought him and he could have buy whatever he wanted to take to that birthday party. But he's still not feeling well. Alright, so we need a big happy birthday bag for my 3-year-old niece. I like this one. I don't know if it's gonna fit. What do you think? Let's try. Let's try. Touching it right now. And I can't see. Look like this camera shift. I think we're golden. I think we're in business. There we go. And then the tissue on top. Well, then now this smells like enough tissue for this and maybe another week or something. What we're gonna work with is this, and then we have that big one. Or should I do the polka dot? Looks one pretty polka dot one here. Like that pink and white and sparkly. But I like this and it say happy birthday. No, it doesn't. This one doesn't. Is it workable? No. It seems very unisex, while this one seems a lot more girly. With the glitter and stuff. See? That one they look more girly, yeah? You know the little girls. I also like this red one. I feel that one better. It has the purple on it. So I'm gonna go ahead and check that out. And I think I'm gonna give in and get one of these enough packs of tissue, because with Jerome being in school, let me tell you guys, there's always a party to go and there's always something to buy and tissue paper needed. So let's get another pack of tissue paper. See, it may just buy the 2 of them here. It makes sense, me just buy that, because these are gonna be $4 anyways. So might as well buy the big old one. Which one me forget? Is that mixed or this mixed? I'll go with these. Them colors are brighter. There we go. All right. And then I'm gonna put this back, even though it kind of matches. All right, everybody. Let's go check out again. One of the people, them are gonna grab me up and tell me I'm not pay for this something. I still have the something in my purse, the receipt. Trying to play with me. All right, I believe that's it. And it's time to go check out. I believe we have happy birthday wrapper at home. I definitely know that we have those like bows at home. So I don't need to get that. Oh, this birthday girl one is really cute. This is really kitty and cute. Okay, change my mind. I'm getting this one. This one festive. Should I go see excitement? Let me see. Let me see one more at them. Then I'm gonna put this back. Somebody will straighten it up. Can't take away everybody's job. All right, and we're good to go. See y'all later. All right, here we go. Where did I put it? Nope. I'm scared. That's not cute. It's in my hand. So you know it's getting later and later down in the ear. That's how you know it's getting later and later down in the ear. Winter is close, so it gets darker so much earlier. Nice. In summer, during that equinox time, at 8:20, still light out. Alright. Guess let me notice feel like I'm doing something. Pure glitter. Can y'all see it? If I touch my face, glitter all over. Alright, here we go. Time to go home. So Carla was just gonna get some stuff for the kids. Get them fries. I'll get Jojo fries. See what Jerome wants. But I am pleased. Relatively pleased. I didn't want to get like the bigger one. That's shaped just like this card. But I didn't see it. That's okay. I'll push back to them cat. Just work on building her kitchen. So next time now I'll get the pots and the pans, and I can shop around more for the kitchen set that I need. If I even forget it on Alibaba or wherever, so I can get it to my niece pool. But anyways, it's time to head home. Y'all ready? It's time to go home. All right.